When we think of artificial intelligence, our minds often jump to sleek robots, self-driving cars, or hyper-intelligent digital assistants. It feels like something born just yesterday, a marvel of the 21st century. But what if I told you the roots of AI stretch back far further than you imagine? What if the future we're living in today was dreamt up centuries ago, even before the first computer flickered to life? Long before silicon chips and complex algorithms, humanity fantasized about creating artificial beings. Ancient Greek myths told tales of automatons like Talos, a colossal bronze guardian. Later, inventors crafted intricate mechanical dolls and chess-playing machines, not truly intelligent, but certainly mimicking life. These weren't AI as we know it, but they were the first whispers of a profound human desire to build something that could think. Today, AI isn't just in science fiction, it's woven into the very fabric of our daily lives, often operating silently in the background. From the moment your phone recognizes your face to unlock, to the personalized recommendations on your streaming services, or how your navigation app reroutes you around traffic, AI is constantly at work. Most people use AI-powered services multiple times a day without even realizing it. It's an invisible hand, shaping our experiences and making our world run. This pervasive presence begs a critical question: what exactly is artificial intelligence? The formal journey began in 1950 with British mathematician Alan Turing. In his seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, Turing sidestepped philosophical debates about consciousness by proposing a practical test, the Imitation Game, now famously known as the Turing Test. If a machine could converse so convincingly that a human interrogator couldn't reliably distinguish it from another human, then it could be considered intelligent. The actual birth of AI as a field came in the mid-20th century, riding the wave of early digital computers, true giant calculators. In 1951, Christopher Strachey wrote one of the earliest successful AI programs, a checkers game for the Ferranti Mark I computer. Just a year later, Arthur Samuel developed another checkers program for the IBM 701, which remarkably, could learn from experience and improve its play. These weren't thinking friends yet, but they were machines beginning to learn. The term artificial intelligence itself was officially coined in 1955 by John McCarthy for a groundbreaking workshop held at Dartmouth College in 1956. This pivotal event brought together visionaries who dared to assert that every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. It marked AI's formal inception as an academic discipline. A major leap came from mimicking the most intelligent system we know, the human brain. The concept of artificial neural networks, inspired by biological neurons, dates back to the 1940s. In 1957, Frank Rosenblatt developed the perceptron, an early artificial neural network capable of pattern recognition through trial and error. These networks consist of layers of interconnected neurons that process data, adjusting the strength of their connections, much like our brains form and strengthen memories. By the 1980s and especially the early 2000s, with increased computing power and massive datasets, neural networks evolved into deep learning. Deep learning models use many layers of these artificial neurons to extract intricate patterns and features from data, from images to speech. Through a process called backpropagation, they learn by constantly adjusting their internal connections based on the difference between their predictions and the correct answers. This is how AI truly began to learn from experience, not just explicit programming. This incredible journey brings us to today, where AI systems have transcended giant calculators to become smart companions and powerful tools. They diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy, power voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even create art and music. AI enhances our productivity, automates routine tasks, and provides personalized experiences across countless industries. The impact is undeniable, making our lives easier and often more efficient. As AI continues its exponential growth, the conversation shifts from can machines think, to how should they think. Ethical considerations like bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the impact on employment are paramount. The future of AI isn't just about building smarter machines, it's about building responsible ones. Our journey with AI is far from over, and it's a future we, as a society, are actively shaping, ensuring these powerful friends benefit all of humanity.